Morning.
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 Alright.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
So we're down at Thruxton Circuit on quite a overcast, windy day, but we're for a very special event. So, on top of my bucket list for sure. Taking part in a driving experience. First we're taking part in a driving a Porsche Cayman for 3 laps around the track, and then down there, in that one, McLaren 570s for 4 laps, 200 miles an hour, 500 brake horsepower, and after that, probably the thing I'm most looking forward to, 5 laps in a Formula Renault single-seater race car around what is the fastest track in the UK. As you may have noticed, we just passed Tiff Needell, so it's a pretty big event. They hold at Thruxton quite often. As you can see, we've got some really races going around as well. I'm on at 1 o'clock, so we've got about an hour or so to wait. And it's picking up, so it'll be fun in the single seater, that's for sure. And
How fast does the McLaren go then?
that McLaren there will do over 200, so 205 miles. It's a 3.8 litre twin turbo V8. So it does deliver just over 500 brake horsepower. The Cayman is about half the brake horsepower of the McLaren, about 160 miles an hour on that one. Yeah, so can't wait.
How fast is the race car?
The race car will do 140, so flat out through church, fastest corner on the track, it will do about 120. So that will be fun, in what is basically a kart with wings. straight away to keep it smooth, keep the line right, keep it consistent. You can then keep that consistent line smooth. Your speed will naturally increase anyway. As soon as you start trying to drive quickly, is when you'll make mistakes and you end up going slower. It's good using the space, a bit of power. Go by on the right. Tucking into the left hand side, have a gentle brake this time, plus we don't want to catch that car mid corner. Coming across now, maintain the speed, that's good, give me your exit, on and on the power, get past the race car as well, on all the way down. So you might not get by him, not the other way, forces this knowing that it's got so much more to give in terms of cornering speed as well.
It does, but you've got to be accurate with it.
You have, yeah.
You've also
so to left,
you're good to go, yeah. And you've also got to know exactly how you're giving those inputs and at what point, because there's a fine line between too much throttle in a corner and not enough throttle. So a little throttle now and you'll feel it rotate you, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you get that?
Yeah, exactly. It helps you turn.
Precisely. But too much, and of course it will rotate you too much, and one of two things will happen. You'll either just get out of shape, or your back end will overtake you.
Exactly.
So gentle brake, that'll do. Bring her in, gentle throttle, just ease back to the seamless. Yep, you're good to go up the inside. Tighter. And just ease back, just we'll follow the Audi through. Yep. A little more throttle now, Kieran, and we'll go straight past the Audi as well. You stay right. A bit more. Now into the middle, gentle brake because you're in the wrong place.
Yep.
Off the brakes, bring her in. A little bit more throttle now. Great. Perfect. Straighten your hands. Hard brake. And back to the pits. How was that?
That was incredible. I'm so glad I got that free bit there, 136. Oh my god. Incredible. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, the car is
that car.
mega. Yeah,
Love it.
It really is. It's a phenomenal bit to get. I love it. It's my favourite car here.
What a privilege. Wow.